Do it.
After the intro?
You didn't do the last one, I don't think.
Okay. Hi HouseIntoHomers.
Hi, homers of the house.
Hi homies. Today we're gonna do a cooking with Kristen vlog.
What was the last one we did?
It was the cookies, I think.
It was baking.
Yeah, it was baking, but we called it cooking with Kristen.
Cooking
It was I think it was the lemon cookies.
That was actually a lot of fun. Those were so good. That was so long ago, though.
But speaking of good, oh my gosh, do we have some special stuff tonight?
So the reason why we're doing this one is because I asked the question on Instagram what you guys wanted to see, and a lot of you guys put that you wanted to see cooking. A lot of you guys were asking. So now I'm going to screenshot that and put it on Instagram just to prove it if I can find it in my stories. This is a recipe that I had found online, or somebody had sent to me, and then basically I just completely changed it, and now I just do it off the top of my head. I don't know where the recipe is, so I think it's mine. I think I can call it mine now, because like I changed the amount of what I put in it. I don't know if cooking's like a science, like if you don't follow something to a T, it's no longer
baking.
yours.
I think baking is the
It's
thing
more
like
of a
that.
science?
Yeah, I think cooking's alright. You can just throw whatever you want in a pot and call it good.
So,
but this is
I think that this would be a nice Valentine's Day dinner if you wanted to make it for a special someone, because it's so simple and it's fun.
And it is very colorful.
It is super colorful. So, what you're gonna need, 2 red peppers, 2 green peppers. You're gonna need chorizo, which is
it's a sausage. I think it's like a Portuguese sausage thing, and you can buy it fresh or you can buy it already smoked. But we prefer the fresh.
So today we're doing it both ways because I have the smoked, which I've never tried with this recipe, and then what we typically do is we barbecue it because we like it a little burny. So tonight we're gonna do it with the barbecue, but if you don't have a barbecue, it's fine. You can throw it into the oven. Also, if you are a vegetarian, this is a perfect vegetarian meal as well. You just don't include the meat, which is super cool, I think.
Yeah, exactly. So you also need various spices like crushed red pepper, garlic,
paprika, salt, pepper, extra virgin olive oil, some oregano leaves, some parsley flakes. Actually, this reminds me too, if you guys are interested, head over to Instagram to vote if you guys want to see me organize the kitchen. I recently just got in a ton of like organizational things and like a spice rack for the drawer.
She's very excited.
So and if you guys want to see that,
last but not least,
yeah,
potatoes. Here, these we like to use these little guys. Obviously, you can use any potatoes really, as long as you cut them down to a manageable size. And then you can add other things. We've added broccoli in the past.
We also add broccoli. We're adding it tonight, and then I'm gonna try for the first time with. Normally I get fresh broccoli, but we're using frozen tonight. And what's that? The white version.
Cauliflower.
And we're gonna use cauliflower, also frozen. But this is the first time I've used cauliflower, so I can't say. You're gonna need a baking sheet and some aluminum tin foil.
And then just a pan. Oh, that's the baking sheet.
That's the baking
I know
sheet.
nothing about baking.
And you're gonna set your
timer, oven.
Your oven.
350.
No, I think it's 450.
450.
450. Get it heated, and you can start doing that right away, unless you're barbecuing. Maybe you want to wait if this is your first time making it.
Yeah.
Okay.
First, you chop the peppers.
I'm super excited for summertime because we will be able to grow these all fresh in our garden, which I don't know about you, but I like garden fresh food.
Yeah, the thickness varies from potato to potato.
So like I said, I usually use fresh broccoli, but I didn't have any, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dump those in there. It's less than a cup.
Thank God it's less than a cup. Broccoli is terrible.
You told your sister I hide it in your food.
Make me eat my veggies.
And then do some cauliflower. We haven't tried it before, so that's all I'm gonna do. Paprika, 1 teaspoon. We love garlic. If you don't, do a teaspoon. We are doing a tablespoon.
Yeah.
Of the oregano, you're gonna do a tablespoon. Of the parsley, flakes, tablespoon. So if you like it spicy, you do a tablespoon. If you like it mild, do a teaspoon. And if you don't like spice at all, leave this out. These are your red pepper flakes.
Fortunately, we both like spicy.
If I had it my way, we'd be doing a tablespoon.
Yeah.
Pepper, you're gonna do 1/4. Boop. And salt, the same. Boop. And then for your oil, you're gonna use extra virgin olive oil, and I like to do 7 tablespoons. 1, 2, we ran out. That's okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mix it up.
By the way, that's Bubba in the background snoring if you hear him. And Kai occasionally barks.
All right, once this is mixed, you're gonna dump it into your bowl. It's thick.
Just like various people.
Am I thick?
Let's stir that up.
I am.
No, we're not gonna answer any of these questions.
Why? You're thick.
Dangerous, thanks.
You're and you got a thick beard.
That's right.
I got thick hair.
Yep. It's pretty thick to me.
Super thick. So now that everything has been mixed, if you are a vegetarian or you're doing this even just like as a side, you're going to pour this onto the pan, just as is, after you've tossed it, and it's gonna go into the oven. You're gonna do 15 minutes, then you're gonna flip it, and then another 15 minutes. But if you are meat eaters, like Dan and I, the next step, you're gonna throw your chorizo, if it's, what's that called, babe?
What?
The meat. If it's
raw?
If it's raw, yeah.
Okay.
So you're gonna throw your chorizo if it's raw onto the barbecue and start cooking that now. It doesn't have to be cooked all the way through. Like I said, Dan and I like ours charred. So it's going into the oven after, so it's gonna finish cooking it. Or if you're getting the chorizo that is smoked, you can just mix that in right now.
Huh? This is the one that's pre-smoked, I think, or something like that. We don't usually use this one. We use the raw one. But you know what? We've also done it with chicken, and it's good with chicken too. You can add pretty much any meat you want.
We
to
barbecue the chicken.
Yeah, the chicken is also barbecued. It tastes. I mean, barbecue is always better. Yeah. So yeah, lots of options. It's looking pretty good.
Do you want to cut up your sausage and put it in?
Well, I'll cut up the sausage, eh? This one's actually not fully smoked, it's semi-cured. You can cook it beforehand, but we're just gonna throw it in the pot here because it's gonna go into the oven.
No, you don't need to cook it beforehand because it's going into the oven at 400 for 30 minutes. So that is cooking it. The other sausage, the raw sausage that we got, has to be cooked on the barbecue because it hasn't been
at all.
cooked at all.
barbecuing complete. I wish you guys could smell these things right now.
So good. So also, these I don't even know if they're barbecued all the way through. It's irrelevant.
They definitely are, but
Just get the outside to your general desired look, I guess.
yeah.
We definitely like them charred. And then they're gonna cook in the oven anyways for 30 minutes at 400 degrees. Normally I toss everything together, but I forgot because I got excited and I dumped the sausage onto the pan.
Put it in the pot. Hey, that's a nice pot. Where'd you get it?
That's, that's a Sophie Conran pot. I'm actually like addicted to her. I have a ton of her, we have coffee in her mugs actually every morning.
Yeah.
I just like the style of it. It's very like artistic and clean while being different and fun.
Like me.
That's why I married you. I should mention that when I pulled this out to flip it, when I put it back in, I upped the temperature to 450, and I'm happy I did. I think it was because the layer that I had done was a little bit thick, and I wasn't sure if it was going to cook all the way through. But yeah. That's it for Cooking with Kristen.
Yeah, hope you guys, and I guess that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the baking cooking session.
And what we do is we throw this on some rice. I guess you could probably put it on quinoa. You could have it on its own. You could have it as a side to an entree. There's so many different things that you guys can do with it to kind of make it your own. We also sprinkle Parmesan cheese on it, not the powdered kind.
The shredded.
Like the shredded.
Yeah. So enjoy it. I hope you guys try it. Let us know on the Instagram account if you try it and how it went for you guys. It is at HouseIntoHome YT.
Also, you'll notice our little Valentine's Day decor behind us here. So if you head over to HouseIntoHome YT as well, you can see how I made that too, which was a lot of fun.
Yeah. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and we will hopefully see you sometime soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.